So now they're all there, and they're speaking Harikatha. They're reclining. Jagannath stopped his cart. Lord Chaitanya and all his associates entered the Jagannath Vallabha garden. Lord Chaitanya is looking at all directions, seeing the beautiful flowers and hearing the buzzing bees and smelling the blossoming trees and flowers. And remembering Vrindavan and Radharani and Krishna and all the lilas, because he's in Radha Bhav, it's Krishna. So then Swarup Damodar starts singing beautiful songs all about Radharani and Vrindavan Leela. And everyone's listening. But there's one person in that crowd that's listening that's not so much inclined towards Radharani. Believe it or not. There's always somebody like that. In a crowd of devotees, there's always somebody that, hey, what is this Radharani? What is this Gopi stuff? You know, it's sahaja. Sahaja means natural. It's natural to love Radha and Krishna. So the word sahaja means natural. There's nothing more natural than the forest. There's nothing more natural than bare feet. Shoes, we're not born with shoes. So Krishna walks with bare feet and it's a forest. There's no buildings aren't natural, cars aren't natural. So natural life and natural people and natural eating and natural loving and natural presentation is Braj Leela. So this is sahaja. This is the real sahaja, natural. So there was one devotee there that wasn't so much inclined towards Radharani. Can you imagine who it is? Huh? No, don't speak that. There's one of the devotees of Lord Chaitanya was not interested, interested but not so much inclined towards Radharani. Can you imagine who it is? It's one of the Panchatattva. Believe it or not. One of the Panchatattva is not much interested in the Radharani, not so much inclined, let's say. Come on now. Any guesses? Wow. There's a lot of quiet devotees when we're asking questions last couple of days. Srivas Thakur ki. Who is Srivas Thakur? Narada Muni Bhajana Vina Radhika Ramana Name Radhika Radhika Nam Radhika Nam. Narada Muni is a Narayan Bhakt. He's a perfection of Dasyarati. He's a Bhakti avatar. He spreads devotion everywhere. He wrote Narada Bhakti Sutras. He dipped in Gopi Bhav for a second, but then he came back out. So he knows something about Gopi Bhav. Padma Puran, I read myself, has a chapter called Naradiya Gopi. The day Narada Muni, he said, what's it like to be a gopi? I don't want to be one too long, just a little brief experience. And it's a long story of how he got the desire, and I've told it on Braj Mandal Yatra. You can listen on SoundCloud. He was there, Srivas Thakur was listing all these fabulous glories of Radharani from Swarup Damodar. But he's a Narayan Bhakta. He's Narada Muni. So he heard all this and he smiled. He said, hey, Swarup, hey, Damodar, you're saying so many things about your Radharani and the opulence. You're talking about Braj Sampat and the opulence and the wealth of Braj. Sampat means, or Sampati. Sampati means wealth, power. Wealth, it means riches. So even that verse was there because Damodar was saying, this is Braja Sampat. All the bhav and the lilas and the sweetness and the butter stealing and all these things.